Hey, what's up, guys? Once again, welcome back to my channel. So, today we are designing a simple practice object in SolidWorks. So, let's start. This is our object. So, this is our SolidWorks interface. Firstly, go to the new, then go to the part, then select all the planes and click on show. Firstly, select front plane. That's why because we are drawing our object from the front side. So firstly we need to draw the baseline. So take a line command, draw the random line. Firstly we need to draw the object profile by using lines and the arcs. So let me draw the object profile. Then we directly give the dimension to it. Profile is completed. Now we need to give the dimension to it. So firstly baseline, give the length to the baseline as 100 mm, horizontal line as 8 mm. Firstly we need to draw the circle. So we are choosing circle and draw the circle and give the dimension as 40 mm of the diameter. Now give the dimension from the center to the origin point as 25 mm in horizontal direction and vertical direction, that is 55 as per our sketch. Now again draw the circle at the bottom side and give the dimension as 10 mm diameter and the origin to circle center distance as 12 mm in vertical direction. And give the dimensions vertical line to vertical line dimension as 30 mm and vertical line dimension as 12 mm to both the vertical lines. And frontal horizontal line dimension as 50 mm Now the circle to vertical line dimension as 20 mm. Trim the remaining portion, trim the remaining line or delete the remaining line. Now our sketch is ready, then exit sketch. Now go to the extrude boss, select the extruded length as 60 mm, click on OK. Now select front face. Now select front face. Now we need to create the half circle extrude cut. So select the center point arc command. Choose the center at the object center and draw the random circle by using that point. And give the dimension to that arc as R. And give the dimension to that R as R 12 mm and close the profile. Then exit sketch, go to the extrude cut. And select up to the surface and select that surface, click on OK. Now we move to our next step. Now we need to draw the top slot. So firstly draw the line, and move that line and give the dimension from the end to the line dimension as 7.5 mm. Similarly to the another side. And give the dimension from the bottom point to the topper portion as 42 mm. Now we mirror the lastly drawn line, then just connect that line endpoints. And go to the exit sketch, then go to the extrude cut, select through all, click on OK. Now we need to draw the slot at the front side of the object. So select the front face of the object and draw the rectangle at the center and choose the relation between the center point of the object and the center point of the rectangle and make the relation as vertical or coincident. You can give any relation. Both the results were same. Now give the dimension to that rectangle as 40 mm in length and 4 mm in height. Now our slot is ready. Now choose the face of that object. Then choose the line command. Choose the center line to get us the reference of the circle and give the dimension to that center line to get us the exact center of the circle. Give the dimension as 30 mm. Then draw the arc. We are choosing 3-point arc. Then we need to give the dimension to that arc. Firstly, we need to connect that remaining portion. To get us the extrude cut profile, then exit sketch, go to the extrude cut, select that sketch, select through all, click on OK. Similarly, follow the procedure at right side. You will get the profile. Now select the top face. We need to draw the circle, so select circle. By using that origin, give the dimension to that circle. Give the dimension as 20 mm and diameter as 10 mm. And relation between that arc center and the circle center, and give the relation as horizontal. Click on OK. Then go to the extrude cut, select the extruded length and click on OK. Now choose the top face of the object. Just draw the circle by using the center references. Give the diameter as 18 mm. Choose the center. Choose the circle center and arc center and give the relation as horizontal. In exit sketch, go to the extruded cut, select through all, click on OK. With this extrude cut, our object is complete. Our total sketch is complete. This is very simple sketch by my methods, so follow my methods. If you like the video, then subscribe my channel and like the video.